As you wish. As you wish. Hi, welcome to my video. Well, I've been trying to build Boba's helmet to no success. If you've seen my previous videos, I did mention that I bought some cardstock. Unfortunately, the cardstock cardboard that I got was too flimsy, and this is the result. I kind of trying to mold it out, but the cardboard was just too flimsy, loose. It was really frustrating trying to mold it into shape. Very frustrating. So I went out to the local art craft shop and I bought some really good cardstock cardboard. I think it's good. So I'm gonna start from scratch again. So the other previous videos was a complete fail. I'm gonna start from scratch again. I don't mind. It's a good learning lesson for me, and hopefully for those who are thinking about building Boba Fett's helmet, you'll learn by my mistakes. So yeah, so I'm gonna start from scratch, but I'm gonna use the really good cardstock cardboard for it. So me and Boba will be in touch. If you want to watch the speed up video, go ahead. As you wish. So I stuck all the main parts of the Wizard of Flight's template. All these. I'm pretty happy with the result. And this cardstock cardboard's a lot more stable. So when I start to build, it's going to be a lot, well, I'm hoping it'll be a lot less flimsy and loose and stuff like that. So I'm very happy with that. So all I need to do now is start cutting them up, and the next time I'll start to put the helmet together. So there you go. So yep, so I've stuck into cardstock cardboard. So next step is to cut them out individually, like I said before, and then I can start the build. So watch this space. As you wish. As you wish.